Welcome to Gradient's weekly business roundup. Today's episode will cover the following topics. The Asian Development Bank revised Sri Lanka's 2021 GDP growth to 3.4% from 4.1%. Such action reflects ADB's view that South Asia and developing Asia remain vulnerable to the COVID-19 pandemic as new variants spark outbreaks, leading to renewed restrictions on mobility. Exports recorded a 14.4% year-on-year increase in August 2021, reaching $1.08 billion. Year-to-date, Sri Lanka's total merchandise exports stood at $7.9 billion, up by a significant 22.3% year-on-year. Apparel exports amounted to $491.5 million in August 2021, up by 12.1% year-on-year and up by 8.6% month-on-month. Tea exports, Sri Lanka's second largest merchandise export category, reached $116.8 million in August 2021, up by 13.41% year-on-year, driven by higher volumes. Year-to-date, tea exports increased to $882.4 million, with top tea buyers including Iraq, Turkey, Russia and UAE. Chairman of the Export Development Board, Mr. Suresh Dimel, stated that Sri Lanka needs to focus on value-added exports, explore niche markets and diversify product and market portfolio. Minister of Plantations Industries Dr. Ramesh Pathirana stated earlier this week that despite Sri Lanka's current tea production levels being satisfactory, the government would continue to monitor the situation in the upcoming months, especially in September and October, where production has historically seen to be affected by climate shifts. Sri Lanka's tea production during January to June 2021 was at 186 million kilograms, up by 18.5% year-on-year. The United Kingdom removed Sri Lanka from its red list restricting travel to UK, along with Kenya, Oman, Turkey, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Maldives and Egypt, with effect from 22nd September 2021. The World Travel and Tourism Council estimated that Sri Lanka's economy could lose more than Rs 260 million a day for each day it remains in the UK's red list for travel. The number of COVID-19 affected persons and deaths in the country has seen a steady decline in recent days, with those having had both doses of the vaccine exceeding 50% of the population. In other news, national level inflation as recorded by the NCPI was marginally down to 6.7% in August 2021 from 6.8% in July. Core inflation rose to 4.7% in August 2021 compared to 4.4% in the previous month. Minister of Energy Udaya Gammanpila stated that Sri Lanka has broken down its offshore oil exploration blocks to 873 from 20 blocks to make the process of exploration cheaper and more efficient for companies. The Cabinet has given the nod to increase the credit limit of close to Rs 3 trillion approved by the Appropriation Act No. 7 of 2020 by a further Rs 400 billion. The all-share price index at the Colombo Stock Exchange ended the week to 23rd September 2021 at 8,830.35 points, down by 0.2% from a week earlier. Foreign selling persisted, with net foreign selling reaching Rs 43.3 billion year-to-date. In other market news, the Colombo Stock Exchange introduced an over-the-counter platform to facilitate repo transactions on corporate debt securities. US-based New Fortress Energy said it had entered into a deal with the government of Sri Lanka to supply 1.2 million gallons of liquefied natural gas to supply the Kerawalapitia Power Complex, a plant it is planning to buy a stake in. And that's a wrap for today. Hope you have a great day, stay safe and stay healthy. This video is co-produced by research consultancy firm Gradient Alliance and information design studio Atheno.